Alright guys, we're going to go for something a little trickier. Something I haven't done in quite a while. May not be able to do it. I'll upload even if I can't. Here we have the Boeing 747. In the dark. Let's get it started. And I forgot to fix the setting. 10 seconds, people. Okay, sorry about that. Now we are in the dark. So, we need to go up here. We need to start by turning on the battery. Then the external power. Turn on utility left and right. The bus. Tie 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll turn on the generators. No, I don't want to turn on the hydraulic pumps yet, but I do want to activate them for when they're ready. So leave the knobs alone, but press those buttons below it for the engine. Then you're going to want to come over here, pick the feeds, pick the pumps. You're going to do the yaw dampers, upper and lower. Let's see. I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, APU. I do apologize. I skipped a step. Go ahead and start the APU. After a minute or so, this will turn on. Once that shows up, we'll turn that on. And then we'll continue from there. There it is. Alright, so now I'm going to turn on all 4 switches. But on number 4, bring it to auxiliary. So I'm clearly missing something. What in the world am I missing? Everything that should be on is on. There we go. Alright. It's rising. It's the 14. Go ahead and flip that on. Now you got one engine spooling up. I'm going to go ahead and hit the others as well. Turn the window heat back off. Did not need that. Oh, that was the right there. The wiper that apparently does nothing. Okay, so anyway, we'll turn these other three on. Looks like they're spooling up correctly. Turn to our seat. Now, folks, I do understand that this was kind of a poor video. You may think that it was luck that I got it started, but I was aware that I was missing something. I just had to figure out what. So I will play around with it for a little bit, try to get a better understanding from start to finish on what needs to happen. Give you guys a better quality video, so I do apologize for this one. There we are. One more successful engine start. Here we are with just an FMG. Talk to you guys next time.